Well, hello. It has been a minute. I wanted to share with everyone what I just recently purchased for myself. I got a camera finally. You know what that means, right? More photography gets to be done. So with that being said, I wanted to show you guys some of the pictures that I took today. I hope you guys enjoyed those. I enjoyed taking them. And if you're wondering what kind of camera I got a Canon Rebel 3000D T100. And just so you know, I do have a photography Facebook and Instagram, so you should go follow those.